It's the littler things in life that make traveling easier. Portable pillows for your airplanes, portable phone chargers, rolling suitcases, and so much more. If you want to learn more about travel gear, watch me, I'm the expert. You are watching Bill Panoff, and this is Cruise Control. Let me introduce you to my partner in crime, Evan here. We have some, hey Evan, how are you? Nice to see you again. Yeah, so we have some items here we're going to be demonstrating. First item is an item that is a great item for traveling called Lay and Go. This is an item that you can actually, sorry, let me just open it up here. If you have valuables and you're traveling with valuables, this opens up and lays flat, and you can put all your valuables right here in this little pouch here. And then travel with it. For example, Evan, can you demonstrate?
So really, let's say you were in port and you picked up a nice bit of jewelry.
Yep.
You picked up some stress balls here. Here's what you do.
You just zip it up like this. There you go. Carry with you on the plane, train, automobiles, or even on a cruise ship.
Absolutely. I love how it feels too.
Yeah, I do too.
It just feels like a down coat.
It does, yeah.
You know,
yeah.
it's very substantial.
Exactly. And you can carry this as a purse. You can wear it as a backpack if you want as well. Is that right?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Looks great on
cool.
you.
You can use it as a weapon when you get somebody near you. You can swing it. It's very, very cool. And this is called Lay and Go.
Well, first of all, it's really nice nylon. You can tell.
The material is very, very nice.
It's well made. It's light.
Indeed.
But it's strong.
Yep.
And it looks like if you're at the beach, it gets a little wet.
There you go.
It's not going to be a problem.
Nope, it's waterproof. Yeah, see? The water comes right off. Okay, the next item we have here is the air hook. This is really, really handy for those of you that fly a lot and you want to just carry along with you your iPad and secure it right in front of you so you can watch all your movies. Why don't you open it up for us, Evan?
Absolutely.
This is a really cool item. Not only can you put your screen there, but you also have a cup for your beverage. So the iPad is secure in the holder, and as you're in flight, the screen will not move at all. Okay, thank you. The next item up for is this beautiful travel item. What is this called?
Bag ale. And they are multi-sized cubes for packing. When you're on a 14-day cruise and you've got some dirty laundry and you need to pack it up, do you want to pack it up with all your laundry that's clean, or do you want to separate it from the rest of the stuff?
I usually throw it out the porthole, but this would be a great idea.
They come in all sorts of different sizes.
What is the name of the item?
Bag ale.
Bag ale. I had one of those at the deli yesterday. I had it with cream cheese though. It was great.
Let's say you've got shampoos and lotions and stuff that could pop open.
So it's not just for clothes.
Clothes.
You could put sundries and everything in there.
Yeah, sundries.
Well, and they come in different sizes, different shapes. Look at this one. Beautiful.
Different colors. They feel like they're waterproof.
They are waterproof.
They're very light material. So if they didn't have anything in them, you could fold them all up inside each other and they won't take up much space at all.
Very well made too.
Unpack in your hotel room or in your stateroom. You can put everything in the closet and then you won't have bags taking up space.
Right. Very handy. Super handy. They feel good, great texture, excellent quality. I'm Bill Panoff with my colleague and partner in crime here, Evan, and you have been watching Cruise Control. Stay tuned for more and subscribe to Cruise Control with me, Bill Panoff. Just click the subscribe button right there. Tune in every week for an additional show of Cruise Control.